Okay, so it's time for yet another build. Here we have an AMD Athlon X4 860k, probably one of my favorite processors I've ever used. Graphics card, we have an R9 285. For motherboard, we have a Gigabyte F2A88XM HD3. It's an FM2 Plus motherboard, the A88X chipset, pretty good, and an Aerocool Integrator 600 watt 80 plus bronze, a WD Blue 1TB, again one of my favorite hard drives ever, 8 gigabytes of Kingston HyperX Fury, 3 Sharkoon green LED fans, for a case we have the Aerocool Aero-800. For the CPU cooler, we have just some Spire CPU cooler, I think is the brand. It says Spire there, but I'm not actually sure the model number or whatever. And we have an Arctic 80mm fan that we're going to swap out for this one. And that's it. We may or may not use this. It might spoil the front of the case, but it is black, so it might look okay. And of course we have a 300 megabit per second Wi-Fi card. Okay, so now let's prep the motherboard. So I have my CPU, RAM, my CPU cooler, and the fan that we're going to put on the CPU cooler. I'm going to set up the camera now, and I'm going to speed it up just so I'm not going through and basically doing another tutorial because I have plenty of those on the channel already. So, let's do this. Okay, so now we're just going to go through and we're going to prep this case. Thing we have to do is we have these, we have 3 of these green Sharkoon LED fans. We're going to swap these out. There's already one exhaust fan and one blue LED intake fan in this Aerocool Aero-800. But we're going for green LEDs just because we had 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the side panel. And now I'm going to take off the fans. So here is the system fully built, and oh my god, is it nice. Like, no doubt, yes, some of that could have been slightly cleaner. It's kind of hard to see through with the glare from the flash, but it is no doubt up there with the nicest systems I've built. Okay, so if you see all the random boxes just piled in front of it and on it and stuff, this is one of the steps to us kind of putting it up for sale. We'll put all the parts around it. Let me move this a bit. We'll put all the parts around it and stuff like that, and then we'll take a few like stock photos of it, like maybe one like so. Actually, I quite like that, and that'll go for sale. But yeah, I cannot express how happy I am with this build. It is probably my favorite build to date. You can see you have an option if you want to put in a radiator or anything. Even has Wi-Fi built in. I am kind of speechless, to be honest. I love it. Even though it's no ridiculous powerhouse, I would have no problem using this as my personal system. But sadly, as the job goes, it has to be sold. Not without some testing done, obviously. Let me just turn our lights back on. Now. Very happy. I am very, very happy with this build. Anyway, that's been the build in the Aerocool Aero-800. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course I will see you guys in the next one.